All right, we're off to a good start. The rain's out of here. It's windy and it's supposed to get cold tonight. But we got a nice big ridge running coon. First traps to check, so that's a good sign of things to come today. Looks like a bandit kind of day. At least they're nice dry coons. I like the idea of that. I got two sets right on the bottom side of that pond dam there. I'm excited to see what those may have. Maybe some more ringtails. Well, this old screaming demon crossing that I've been so disappointed with finally paid off. Oh boy, look at that. I would guess that she is heavy laden with young. Look at the size of the feet. Jeez. Yeah. Look at that. That's a female. This landowner farm manager is going to be happy because she's got some little ones in her. That's the weird thing, you know, in some parts of the country, you know, you get up north and I'm sure their beavers aren't this heavy this early. I mean, it's just into February. So, I mean, you can see that trail, a heck of a trail coming this way. I ought to pick up some coons, but I ain't had a coon touch anything. You got the river right there. So, all right, we got some catches on the board. Look at that big tail. That's gonna make a heck of a wallet there. I've been thinking about trying a belt, beaver tail belt. I'm not sure, it's gonna take some figuring, but that's gonna be a good one right there for sure. Now here's a set. I'm not saying it's a fantastic set. I was trying something a little bit different. A large dirt hole in the bank, kind of as even as I could get it to combat the water, you know, and try to not get it fill up all the time with water, and kind of dug a trench out of it, knowing that was going to hold water. I actually bedded the trap just off to the right, thinking maybe if something comes in, it kind of works it from that right side. The one thing I was going to point out is I set this, you know, a week and a half ago with peat moss, and I mean, I haven't done anything to that trap. It has been set just like that. I mean, it's still ready to rock and roll. That peat moss has been a lifesaver. I sure wished I'd have known about that sooner, but so anyway, just going to point that out.